In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install TradingView on your Ubuntu system. Whether you're a fan of using the terminal or prefer the more visual approach of the Ubuntu Software Center, I've got you covered with easy-to-follow instructions for each method. Let's start with the terminal method, which is often regarded as the most straightforward option for Ubuntu users. First, you'll want to open the terminal. This can be done quickly by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and T on your keyboard all at the same time. Once you see the terminal window, you're ready to input the command needed to install TradingView. Simply type sudo snap install TradingView and press enter. This command utilizes Snap, a package management system for Linux, which makes installing software both quick and secure. After hitting enter, you may receive a prompt requesting your user password. This is a normal part of the process intended to ensure that you're authorized to install new software on your system. Just type in your password and press enter again. Once the installation process is complete, you can easily launch TradingView. You can either search for it using your system's application search bar or fire it up directly from the command line by typing the application's name. Now, let's move on to the second method, tailored for those who feel more comfortable with a graphical interface. Begin by opening the Ubuntu Software Center. You'll find the Ubuntu software icon conveniently located on your panel or taskbar. Go ahead and click on it, and voila! You're inside the Software Center. The next step is to locate TradingView within the Software Center. Head to the search bar at the top left corner of the window and type in TradingView. After a few seconds, the search results will populate, and you should see the TradingView application listed there. Click on it, and you'll notice a green Install button on the application page. Give it a click to start the installation process. As with the terminal method, you'll likely be prompted to enter your user password as a security measure, so the system knows it's you making the request. Type in your password and hit enter to proceed. Once installation wraps up, you're just a few clicks away from launching the application. Look for the Show Applications icon on your dashboard, which appears as a grid of dots. Click on it to view all your installed applications. Find TradingView amidst the icons and click to start it up. And there you have it, a simple, user-friendly guide to installing TradingView on Ubuntu. Whichever method you choose, you'll be all set to start exploring market data and engaging with TradingView's numerous features right from your Linux system. Thanks for joining me, and happy trading.